Hello everybody, my name is Ivy. Today I will introduce one very amazing car for everybody. So you can believe the car here. You know, when I first see this car in the first eyes, I just one word came in my mind. It's the king. You can believe this car is the Vito car, the original one, and then we restyling the body kit, and after the restyling looks like this. The name is King. So now I will introduce everybody where change and restyling. So we can see this whole front bumper. It's totally different. It's totally different with the original one, with the Vito. We can see one by one here. This front bumper and two. This grill. This grill is bigger than the old one. The old one just very small, like just here, this place. But this new one is very big, from here to here. Completely change. And we can see the details. We can see from here. This front bumper. Here is the LED one, and here is the chrome. And from here to here, it's complicated. One piece is chrome to here, and this is the LED one. You can see. And I think this grill is an important item. We can see this grill. This grill first we can see from here to the down. Top to down is almost one big, like a mouse. And here we can see this is the middle of the grill. It's also changed. Before we have here, this one is one big star logo, like this one, Mercedes star logo here. But we change it. Now we can see this is the one square plate here. And but you know this we also have the two options. One is like this, the square one, and another we have the red one, like the before, big star here. So can have two choices, and also have one small. We can see this one. This chrome, you know, this chrome is not just chrome. This also have the LED chrome. When you drive the car, here we'll have the each chrome will have the lighting, the blue lighting here. So this is front, and we can see the details. This have the any different chrome here, and here big one, and this here also have this bonnet string here. So together this grill and this the front bumper complicate this big front face. Now we come to the second differences. Second one is this side bar. You know, original V class not have this bar. This is the optional one. You can see this side bar from here to here, 4 pieces, and also have the chrome outside. You can see the chrome. And this is the side bar. This fitting is very easy, and outside is complicated. Is a very big complicated chrome pieces. Two sides, left and right. So we go. We come to the rear. Rear we also change the rear bumper. We can see the complicated rear bumper, and you can see this rear bumper is changed. And we also can see this is one small exhaust pipe, and this is a plate, and also chrome. Complicated front and rear, front and rear. Two small exhaust pipe. You can see this is the chrome one. Now you know the chrome is very fashion, and many customers need like this one. This also change the rear. So like this, we change front bumper and rear bumper, and also have the options. So it's complete our this new body kit, the King of the V.